Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix UKG Pro account login not working. So you try logging into your UKG Pro, you're entering the correct credentials, but it's just not letting you log in. What you're going to do is go to the right corner on the three dots, then we're going to go into opening Chrome browser. Once it's here, we're just going to go press on the three dots again and press onto settings. Then you're just going to scroll all the way down and find site settings. Make sure you have the permissions. Now if that still doesn't work, you're just going to press back, go press on the three dots again and press on delete browsing data. You're just going to choose the last whenever it stopped working. The best option is just to choose the last 7 days and just press delete data. I'm not going to delete because it's working for me, but if it isn't still working for you after you've tried giving it permissions, you should definitely try that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.